Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to view your message requests on the X app. If you've ever wondered where messages from people you don't follow end up, or if you think you might be missing something important, you'll want to stick around. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access all of your message requests with just a few quick taps. First, go ahead and open the X app on your phone. This is the same app you normally use to scroll through posts, check notifications, or share your own updates. Once it's open, you'll want to head straight to your messages. To do that, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons, and among them is the envelope-shaped icon for messages. Tap on it, and it will take you directly into your inbox. This is where your conversations with friends, followers, and anyone you've been chatting with are stored. But here's the part a lot of people don't realize. Messages from someone you don't follow, or messages from accounts outside of your main circles, don't always appear right inside your inbox. Instead, they're filtered into something called message requests. This is X's way of making sure you can still receive messages from others without cluttering your main conversations. So from inside your messages, look near the top of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Message Requests. Go ahead and tap on that. That's where you'll find all those messages that might have been trying to reach you but didn't make it straight into your inbox. Now, when you open this section, you'll see a list of requests from different accounts. You can tap into each one to read the message. From here, you'll have the option to accept the message if you want the conversation to move into your main inbox, or you can choose to ignore or delete it if you'd rather not engage. And that's it. Checking your message requests on X is quick, simple, and a great way to make sure you're not missing out on any important connections or updates. Next time you wonder if someone tried to reach you but you don't see it in your inbox, remember to check this section. Now you know how to stay on top of all your conversations, both the ones you expect and the ones that might surprise you.